3, 2, 1. At Better Built PC, we know how to build a better computer. From time to time, we plan to offer little short 1 minute to 2 minute to 3 minute video shorts on tips on how to build a better PC, little tricks you have never even heard of. They'll be here on YouTube from time to time. At Better Built PC, we start with a basic internet PC at $299. Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1. Start over. Three, 2, 1. There's a right way and the wrong way to custom build a computer. Not on the assembly line like Dell does, but by hand, every screw, every bolt, every piece. Except, of course, for obvious pieces that are already built that you'll assemble. At Better Built PC, we take the time to hand assemble a very custom built PC from the ground up. We start with our basic internet PC at $299. From time to time on YouTube, we will offer little video shorts, tips and ways of better building a PC. BetterBuiltPC.net.